Hi friends. Welcome to Money Sorcery channel. At any point of time if you feel this video is valuable for you, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. So, let us quickly discuss today's market updates. BSE Sensex is up down by 53 points, that is 0.07%, and settled at 79,996 points. Nifty 50 is up by 21 points, that is 0.09%, and settled at 24,323 points. Bank Nifty is down by 443 points, that is 0.83%, and settled at 52,660 points. Nifty Mid Cap 100 Index is up by 470 points, that is 0.83%, and settled at 57,089 points. Nifty Small Cap 100 Index is up by 148 points, that is 0.79%, and settled at 18,941 points. Shares of Divgi Talk Transfer Systems zoomed 5% per share on the BSE in Friday's intraday. This came after the company received a letter from the Ministry of Industries, Energy, Labour and Mining Department of Government of Maharashtra. The letter conferred the status of mega project at one of the company's projects situated at Chaudia Industrial Park in district of Satara. The company's project qualified for the status on the basis of level of fixed capital investment under the Electric Vehicle Policy 2018. GPT Infra Projects Board approves raising up to 175 crore rupees via QIP or other means. Company said in an exchange filing. With this positive news, stock has reacted positively in today's session. The Maharashtra government is moving to settle the 1,700 crore rupees debt owed by Mumbai Metro One Private Limited, a Reliance infrastructure company, despite shelving plans to buy Metro One. The state's cabinet has instructed the Mumbai Metropolitan Region Development Authority to consider a one-time payment to clear MMOPL's debt. With this positive news, stock reacted positively in today's session. Shares of Thermax Limited soared 5% in trade Friday, 5th July, after the company said that it has bagged an order valued at 513 crore rupees from Jindal Energy Botswana. The order, Thermax said, needs to be completed in 23 months. In an exchange filing, Thermax said that its wholly owned subsidiary, Thermax Babcock and Wilcox Energy Solutions Limited, TBWES, will set up a 600 megawatts greenfield energy project in Botswana, Southern Africa. Nile Limited stock has surged up to 13% after Dolly Khanna names appear in shareholding with 1.1% stake in company during Q1. Shares of Zaggle Prepaid Ocean Services gained over 4% after the firm inked an agreement with Hero MotoCorp. Zaggle will provide Hero MotoCorp the Zaggle Save, its employee expense management and benefits. Shares of Raymond Ltd hit a record high today after the board of the conglomerate approved demerger of its real estate business, Raymond Realty. The demerger plan aims to consolidate the conglomerate's entire real estate business into a single entity to leverage growth opportunities and attract new investors and strategic partners, Raymond said. Under the demerger plan, Raymond will issue 6.65 crore shares of Raymond Realty with a face value of 10 rupees per share. Shareholders of Raymond will receive 1 share of Raymond Realty for each share held with no cash or alternative considerations involved. Subsequently, Raymond Realty will make its market debut on both the National Stock Exchange and BSE as a separate company. This strategic move comes as Raymond's real estate business has achieved scale, reporting revenue of 1,593 crore rupees, 43% on-year growth, and EBITDA of 370 crore rupees in FY24. Positioning it well to chart its own growth path as a separate entity, the company stated in an exchange filing. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more updates.